Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube video. My name is Larry Spruce, and today we're going to be cutting some more cedar slabs out of these nice cedar logs we have here. This old log has been dried out for quite some time now, so I'm not sure what type of slabs we're going to get out of it. But again, we're going to be doing some damage to this old cedar log here. We're going to cut it into some slices with this old homemade sawmill that I built a couple of years back. She's not beautiful, she's not pretty, she's not perfect, and she's not, I guess you could say mass manufactured, but she gets the job done for me. Does a real good job. So stay tuned to the next part of the video. We're going to be seeing if we can cut this old thing. This old blade that's been on it now has been on it for a couple of cuts. I'd say about 25-30 cuts on cedar. Doesn't have a real sharp edge on it, but I believe we'll get the job done. Work with that piece of wood. It's really nice once you put a little bit of water on top of it. Let me dump some on top of it so you can see the actual grain and the pattern. 1 second. Okay. Now when you're ready. Hey folks, here we go. We got it cut. Put a little water on there. Man, look at that grain pattern. That red, Texas aromatic red cedar is really, really nice. A lot of nice figuring in it. Check out this other piece. Piece we cut it off of. You just don't get no nicer than that. I really enjoy cutting this Texas red cedar. It's easier to cut. It's easier on a sawmill. We cut a lot of mesquite a lot of times, but I know I've got a lot of viewers out there right now asking me to cut more red cedar, so I'll try to accommodate y'all guys. I enjoy it, y'all must like it, so we're gonna, cut a lot more of this on red cedar. Well, let me back the mill up a little bit, and the photographer go back around the front. That one there was about 1.25 inches thick. We'll try to do the same thing with this one here. But you know, I like this old pull start. Did it work? out there on YouTube gonna really like that, right? Take a look at that, would you? But I do a lot of work with that. Grain pattern just pops. Beautiful color, a lot of red. Yeah, let's try another cut. Let's see what comes out of it. Like I said, this old wood's real dry. Pretty easy to cut. Hey guys, if you'd like us to make other videos, drop us some comments below. We love shooting videos, especially if it's something we know something about. We don't know everything, but we know a little bit about something. Alright, there we go, another inch and a quarter. Drag on. Hey, for those of you who don't like brute work, you sure don't want a sawmill. It's dusty, dirty, nasty work, but it sure is very nice to see the polish you get out of a piece of lumber. Hey, also, if you're interested in building a homemade sawmill, make sure you check out some other videos. I've got a couple videos out there of how I built this one with the dimensions and stuff. Be sure to check those videos out here on YouTube. Check that out. Really nice, right, folks? Very, very nice piece of red cedar. All right. Bring it back one more time, get you one more cut. Any questions, comments, drop them in the box below. We like comments, positive and negative. Yeah, I know a lot of y'all gonna say really sexy gear. Yeah, I just didn't put it on the paper. I always recommend hair protection, eye protection, and gloves as long as you're not close to that blade. I'm a little leery about wearing gloves when it comes to these sawmills. I don't want my hands get caught up in the blade anywhere near it. Alright, let's get this one set. I'm going to go just a little bit more than an inch and a quarter on this cut. Here we go, one more time. wash the top of this one off, so let's wash the top of the next one off so you can see it. You got to the center of it, you got a big old crack out right there in the middle of it. Again, guys, this is old Texas Red Cedar here on YouTube. My name is Larry Spruce. If you enjoy working with wood and you got an old sawmill, you're trying to build a sawmill, be sure to check out our other videos. We've got some videos out there. One of them is with the dimensions of this sawmill that maybe you can duplicate and build one similar if you really like this old machine. You know, we also hope that you hit the like and subscribe button. We need all the help we can out here on YouTube. We compete against a lot of big companies, and we're just a mom and pop operation here trying to survive. Again, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for our next videos. Thanks for watching.